Hey guys, what's going on, yo? So I came outside, see what's the big deal with this freezer rain going on. I had to get suited up because I get sick easy. So big figure. But anyway, I really can't switch the camera around like that. But you know, that's how I look when freezer rain going on. Yesterday, me and my wife went to Food Line. No lie, bro. People was literally taking how you can say it? They was literally taking food like a son of a bitch. Now you gotta realize this. This is North Carolina. North Carolina we usually don't get rains like that. Well, scratch that. We usually don't get bad weather. We do get bad snow, but not like a critical bad weather. How I can say this? How it is now. This past weekend they were saying, "Oh, we're gonna have this bad weather, this bad snowstorm going on," and I don't really see shit really. Like I said, it's just freezing rain. Really, to tell you the truth, it's just raining. Raining and cold as hell. That's all it is. Raining and cold as hell. So I don't know this whole big deal going on. You know, right now, I head to my friend Jake's house. Well, if it's there, I ain't called him yet. So, my partner in crime. So, I'm gonna go ahead there right now. And, matter of fact, I'm using my phone as a camera, so I can't really, I can't flip it for some right reason. But hold on real quick. Yeah, I couldn't flip it. I don't know why it's like that. I got to really stop the video to flip it. But, come on, LG. Yeah, flip the camera. Flip the camera. I know Snapchat you can flip the camera, but it's kind of bullshit. But, I'm going to start this right here real quick. I'm going to show you how this place look. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a couple pictures too, also. But yeah, it's cold as a bitch out here. Alright, so this real second right here, you know, this the bad weather people was talking about. You know, they ain't shit really, but this what people was paranoid about, which is make no damn sense. My homeboy Jake's not home. I don't know where he at, but check these out though. So we got some real ice going on around here. Real fucking ice. That's crazy. That's hell. So you know that's the tennis course right there. So we're gonna check over here. So I ain't gonna stay out here too long. It's too damn cold. You know what I'm saying? They ain't for the black brothers out here. Yeah, and for the brothers out here. Too damn cold. But that's the tennis court. I don't see nothing freezing up over here. So I think, matter of fact, even pools ain't freezing. You know, so the water's not frozen up. I ain't going here because it's too cold. Well, it seems like the pools ain't freezing up. If I can see that. Yeah. So, that's straight. So, the water's ain't frozen up, so it can't be that cold. I think last time I checked the weather, it was 33 degrees out here. So, I figure it won't like freeze up, but it's cold as shit. I'll tell you why it's cold, because my hands is fucking freezing. So